Hi, today I have a very interesting log for you guys. It's an ABUS Extra Classe. This log was sent to me by Obijanje Brave. Obijanje Brave, thank you very much for sending it to me. It was without key and it was in my nutty bucket for a couple of months now, 1 or 2 months. Because of that keyway, and I did not have a pick that can fit that keyway, so I needed to modify one of the picks. So after some filing and heavy modification, I ended up with this pick. I can barely touch some of the pins, but it's enough to pick this lock. I know that Obijanje Brave was he changed some of the pins, so he made it really more difficult for me because of the keyway and because of that wording that is giving me a hard time. So I will try to pick it now. I'll try not to block the view, and the other thing is that these locks need like heavy tension. That's the only way to pick it for me, and plus on top of that the pins are awesome. So if I picked it, I will show you. I will got it and I will show you the pick. So let's start picking it. I will try to somehow not block everything, but it's impossible maybe. So yeah, let's start. So it's a 6-pin lock, and yeah, I'm now stuck on pin 4. Pin 4 is binding, so click on pin 4. Pin 5 now is binding, small click, and pin 6, small click. Let's go back. Now I'm stuck on pin 2, small click on pin 2, and let me try pin 1 now. Come on. That's the pin 1 and big click. So, and let me go now pin by pin and increasing tension. A couple of T-pins, and you see me, maybe if I think I oversend something, I will drop everything. It's a really difficult, not impossible, but difficult pick. First for the wording, then for everything else. I touch pin 5 and 6 again, so I'm going pin by pin to just small clicks, touching them because of the T-pins. I don't want to overset everything, so now pin 5 and 6 are binding, so I'm trying small gentle touch, let's say like that. Nothing on 4, nothing on 3, nothing on, maybe, let me check pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, small click, 4, nothing, 5, small, 6, small, 5, 6, 5. I'm going like small clicks from 5 and 6. I'm not sure if I'm picking it right, but that's the only way. So pin 1, oh yes, pin 1 was binding. Wow. I removed the C clip, so I need to be gentle. The C clip is off because I was like trying to figure it out, the how it's called, how to change or modify the pick. So pinning tray, let me find the tweezers. Here's the tweezers. I will shim it. So just not to, just to be safe. I'm glad that this lock is out of my naughty bucket, because to be honest I was thinking a lot of times, and I tried a couple of times modifying. I forgot there are passive pins on the side, so yes, nothing was dropped. There are a couple of passive pins on the side, you can see 4 of them, so let me drop all of them. They are only passive key control, so they're on 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, I think. Maybe I drop key pin, yeah, I drop pin number 6. Oh, there is the passive pin. So 1 T-pin, 2 standard, 3 T-pin, 4 standard, 5 T-pin and 6 T-pin. So that's why I'm saying the Obijanje Brave changed, so he made it like long, short, long, short, long, long, or middle, mid. So everything is standard. And here's that ugly wording. So my pick, all the picks that I have for the dimple locks were, I was unable to pick it with them, so modification, that's the one that saves me. So, and these picks were sent to me by Bearsback. So Bearsback, thank you very much for sending it to me. And let me go with the drivers. I do not have a key to show you the key, but let's go to show you the awesome drivers. So the first one is tip-in spool, very nicely done. The second one is again no, it's only tip-in. Third one is tip-in spool. Fourth one is standard, yeah, because it's usually only one standard. And the sixth one is tip-in, and the fifth one is again tip-in. So all the springs are standard and the same from the lock. Come on, one more, yeah, there it is. So nothing done the body. Come on, focus. Let me try to show you. Yeah, it's standard body, but the pins are very nice and awesome pins. So let me give you a close-up. So as you can see, as I said, 1, 3, 4 and 5 and 6, their key pins are T-pins, and drivers 1, 2, 1 and 3 are T-pin spools. 2, 5 and 6 are T-pin, and only 4 it's a standard one. So again, Obijanje Brave, thank you very much for sending this lock to me. It was a very challenging one. It's ABUS Extra Classe. So guys, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.